how to use Power Core in Last Sea Survival Shooter. Now, Power Cores is essential for promoting high tier equipment, particularly in the D5 level or the orange gear to enhance your hero's combat effectiveness. Now, to pretty much use these Power Cores, you need to equip D5 level gear. So ensure your hero does have that equipment. You can then enhance that equipment to level 20 and use enhancement materials to do that, and you can promote equipment using the power cores. So again, once the equipment does reach level 20, the option to promote this equipment becomes available. You can access the equipment's details and select the promote option and consume the required number of power cores to complete the promotion. So again, you have to enhance an orange equipment to level 20 before you can promote it. And you can use your power cores to promote it, and there are 30 levels of promotion and the cores you need to use to get to each level escalate. But anyways, that's how you use power cores in this game. So hopefully this video can help you. And if it does, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all. Thank you.